Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to make the background on Windows 11 Notepad dark. For those of you Windows 11 users who want to change the Notepad background to dark, you can follow the steps in this video. The first step, please open Notepad on your laptop, then the next step is to pay attention to the small arrow on my laptop screen. Okay guys, that's how to activate dark mode in Windows 11 Notepad. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you don't miss any videos uploaded on this channel.